Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to freeze Microsoft Excel rows and columns. Sometimes people created the many rows and columns of their Excel sheet. In this case, they need to scroll the pages to view all columns or rows. But actually they would like to fix the one or more columns and rows because that is the heading of the Excel content. In this case, how they can fix the rows and columns? Let's learn how to freeze the rows and columns in the Excel sheet. First, you have to open the Excel sheet what you would like to freeze the column. In this Excel sheet shows the employee's salary sheet. So I would like to view the salary for the entire year. So I have to scroll it. But the problem is we cannot see the employee's department and name. If you would like to scroll down, the header also hidden. So in this case, we need to fix the header and the particular columns. I would like to freeze the first two columns and the first two rows. So we have to go to for the view tab. Here there is an option in freeze top rows or first columns, but the problem is if you freeze the top rows, this will be freeze the first row only. This is the biggest problem because we need to freeze with the second row also, the header of the Excel also. So we have to unfreeze that. If you would like to fix the first two columns and the first two rows, you have to select the third column and the third rows. This means previous two rows and previous two columns has been freeze. So you have to select the third column and third rows, then go to freeze pan. Now you can check it. The first two columns has been freeze and the first two rows also freezed. So now you can easy to scroll down and watch the all employees. Also you have to scroll it the columns to view the employees entire salary. This is really helpful to view the entire salaries for the particular employee. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to more informative videos, subscribe this channel. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.